Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the device and installing the app. First, make sure your Google TV is updated. Updates fix compatibility and security issues. Next, sign into the Play Store so you can download apps. Search for a Chromium-based browser or the official app, then choose Install. You do this because sideloading adds steps and risks. Using Play Store keeps updates automatic. Once installed, don't open it yet. You'll configure input and permissions in the next step. Once the browser is installed, configure input and permissions for smooth use. You pair a Bluetooth mouse or enable the remote pointer. This avoids clumsy cursor control. Then open settings inside the browser to set your default search engine and enable cookies for logged-in sites. These choices affect performance and convenience. Grant microphone or camera only when required. It reduces privacy risk. Make sure to sign into your browser account so bookmarks and extensions sync across devices. Now you use the browser and fine-tune the experience for TV viewing. Open sites in full screen, you'll get a cleaner layout and easier control. If text looks small, change zoom or text size so you can read from the couch without squinting. For streaming, use the cast control or a keyboard for fast text entry. If a page freezes or media won't play, clear cache first, then restart the app. If that fails, reinstall the browser. That usually resolves corrupt installs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.